Hello, good morning to all of you. Hope you are doing well. Welcome back to this channel, Upload Job. So in this video, I will share with you job openings from United Kingdom, UK, and there have a urgent vacancies in a delivery chain. So if you are interested to apply for this job, then keep watching this video till the end. And if you have previous experience, then you should apply as a delivery chain. And this requirement is free. If you will select from the interview, the medical and visa process will be conducted by the company, and you just need to apply in the proper way, and you just need to crack the interview. Let's start. So this is a urgently required for an international fast food delivery chain in United Kingdom. So I already told you this professionals is belongs to delivery chain, and let's focus what is the post or the position. Number one, outlet in charge managers. Number two, store manager. Number three, delivery boy. Number four, counter production executive. There are four types of job openings from United Kingdom. Sorry for the background sound. So large number of vacancies and salary range will be 26,000 euro to 29,000 euro. You can calculate the currency from euro to your home country currency. You can get your salary. And the thing is, if you want to apply for any of these positions, you should have the proper certifications, proper skills, proper experience in the relevant field. This is very, very important point. So what is the requirements? You should have a degree holders or no IELTS. That means for UK, basically there are requirements for IELTS, and you don't need to have any certifications from IELTS. And if not having graduation, should have IELTS certificates UKVI-Band 4. That means if you don't have any graduation certificates, you can show the IELTS certificate with Band 4. Next, preference will be given for the candidates who have experience in Pizza Hut, Dominos, checking KFC, etc. So this is a preference for candidate during interview. If you have the same experience, the relevant field, then you will get a chance more to more. So right now we can move to next important point, how to apply. Interested candidates are requested to submit their updated biodata or CV along with copy of education experience certificates and photo and passport, scan copy of the passport to the given official email ID. So this is very, very important how you can apply. First of all, you need to update your CV. Then you have to collect your educational certificates, your experience certificates, your passport size photo, and your passport scan copy. You need to make it in a one PDF file, and you have to forward through the given official email ID. This is the official details. This is the license number. This is the contact number of the office. This is the office name and address. This is very, very important information through which you can reach to the office, and you can collect information regarding the job openings, and you can attend the interview, and you can process through the office. This is very, very important information. So guys, I already told you this is the urgent vacancies from UK, and there are four types of job openings as a outlet in charge or manager or store manager, delivery boy, and counter production executive. So in these four positions, you need to know that what is the requirements. This is the basic requirements to apply for this job. You should have a degree. If you don't have any degree, you should have a IELTS certificates with band 4 score. So this is very, very important point. Next point is how to apply. You have to collect this email ID, and you have to make your document properly, updated CV, certificates, passport size photo, everything, and you have to forward it in the given official email ID. After you forward, the shortlisting process will be start. Once your CV will be shortlisted, you will be eligible for the interview, the client interview. So after you attend the client interview, once you crack the client interview, the medical process and the visa process will be start. So the duration will be declared by the company. So first of all, I would like to suggest you a strongly suggestions to you. Please keep in mind, if you want to apply for this job, first of all, you need to visit to the office and verify by yourselves, check each and every process, and ask them about the requirements. If you'll get satisfaction, or if you'll feel that this is a genuine process, then you can consult with the office on the spot and submit your document, then track your interview date, then attend the interview, then crack the interview. After you crack the interview, the medical process and the visa process will be happened by this company. So I hope you understand all the things what I'm sharing with you. Still, if you have any question, you can drop your question in the comment box. This is very, very important information. Share this information to all of the candidates having a dream to move UK with a job. So this information is available in the descriptions below this video. So go to the descriptions below this video, collect all these informations, read it again by yourselves, then understand what is the openings, how to apply, what is the requirements to apply for this job, everything. Then you can visit to the office directly and talk them and try to apply. So I hope all the things I'm sharing with you, you understand. Still, if you have any question, you can drop a question in the comment box.